Hello and welcome to a new topic, Definition of Language by Henry Sweet, Lecture 5. According to Henry Sweet, language is the expression of, language is the explanation of, language is the beautification of, language is the clothing of, language is the coloring of what? Coloring of ideas by means of speech sounds. With the help of speech sounds, because the first need for human is to communicate through speech combined into words. And how we communicate? How we produce speech sounds? By combining words. Continue. Words are combined into sentences, and this combination answering to that of ideas into thoughts. So according to Henry Sweet, what we come to understand is that language is the expression of ideas with the help of which we speak by combining into words, and words are combining into sentences, and this combination translates our rambling ideas into thoughts. Continue. Review of lesson. Language is the expression of ideas by means of speech sounds combined into words. Words are combined into sentences. This combination answering to that of ideas into thoughts. Henry Sweet. This definition of language is very comprehensive. I recommend all of you to memorize this definition and keep it in your heart. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.